Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on AWS Fargate. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is AWS Fargate? AWS Fargate with Amazon EKS, AWS Fargate for Amazon ECS, and AWS Fargate with AWS Batch. So there are dedicated lecture for Amazon EKS, ECS and AWS Batch, and there were some mentions of AWS Fargate, but I thought I will cover AWS Fargates specifically in a dedicated lecture of its own. And AWS Fargate is basically used in these three services: EKS, ECS and AWS Batch. So what is AWS Fargate? AWS Fargate is a technology that provides on-demand, right-sized compute capacity specifically designed for running containers, offering scalable resources that adapt to your needs. With Fargate, there is no need for manual provisioning of infrastructure. Users don't have to configure or manage the underlying compute resources, eliminating the need for scaling management. Fargate automates infrastructure management, removing the need to provision and manage groups of virtual machines for running containers. It also eliminates the need to select specific server types for your workloads. Fargate simplifies the scaling process by automatically handling resource allocation. Users don't need to make manual scaling decisions or worry about optimizing cluster packing, as Fargate manages these aspects automatically. AWS Fargate with Amazon EKS. So Fargate profiles in Amazon EKS allows you to control which pods start on Fargate and how they run. These profiles are defined as part of your Amazon EKS cluster, enabling you to manage pod startup on Fargate and define running parameters. Amazon EKS integrates Kubernetes with Fargate using AWS built controllers. These controllers leverage the upstream extensible model provided by Kubernetes, enabling seamless integration between Kubernetes and Fargate. Fargate controllers run as part of the Amazon EKS managed Kubernetes control plane. They are responsible for scheduling native Kubernetes pods onto Fargate and run alongside the default Kubernetes scheduler. These controllers also include several mutating and validating admission controllers. When a pod meets the criteria for running on Fargate, the Fargate controllers in the cluster recognize it, update it and schedule it onto Fargate. This process involves meeting Fargate criteria, recognition by Fargate controllers, updating the pod and finally scheduling it onto Fargate. AWS Fargate for Amazon ECS, Elastic Container Service. When using the Fargate launch type for AWS ECS, you package your application in containers and launch it, streamlining the deployment process. Fargate allows you to specify the CPU and memory requirements for your tasks, ensuring optimal resource allocation for your application. With Fargate, you can define networking policies and configure IAM policies, providing secure and controlled access to your containerized applications. Each Fargate task operates within its own isolation boundary, not sharing the underlying kernel, CPU resources, memory resources, or elastic network interface with other tasks, ensuring enhanced security and performance. To configure task definitions for Fargate, you set the required compatibilities task definition parameter to Fargate, enabling the use of Fargate's serverless container management capabilities. AWS Fargate with AWS Batch. When using AWS Fargate with AWS Batch, you package your application in containers and launch it as a job, streamlining the deployment process for batch computing tasks. Fargate allows you to specify the CPU and memory requirements for your jobs, ensuring optimal resource allocation for your batch processing needs. With Fargate, you can define networking policies and configure IAM policies, providing secure and controlled access to your containerized batch jobs. Each Fargate job operates within its own isolation boundary, not sharing the underlying kernel, CPU resources and memory resources, and elastic network interface with other jobs. This ensures enhanced security and performance for your batch processing workloads. And that's all. Thanks for watching.